Kia ora koutou, I'm Sharon Holt from Pronunciation Signposts in Te Reo Māori and also the author and publisher of Te Reo Singalong books. So today we're going to talk about how to say Merry Christmas in Te Reo, and it's a transliteration, so it's pretty much sounds very similar to Merry Christmas. Just remember we're putting a break after every vowel. Me. Remember the pronunciation of the vowels, a, e, I, o, u. Me, ri, so very similar to Mary, but meri, meri, meri. Some people will spell this like this, and then it would be mere, mere, and I'm spelling it like this today, meri, meri, kirihimete. Meri Kirihimete, Kirihimete, Meri Kirihimete, Meri Kirihimete, Meri Kirihimete. Ka kite.